slope intercept from a line. If a line having slope m cuts an intercept of length c from y-axis, then equation of line equation of that line is given by y equal mx plus c, where m slope of line and c intercept on y-axis. That is, if a line, suppose it is x-axis, y-axis, if a line cuts an intercept of length c, it is intercept of length c on y-axis, and slope of this line is m, then equation of line is y equal mx plus c. Now second, if this line passes through origin, means if this line passes through origin, then value of c is 0, then equation of line passing through origin is y equal mx, because value of c is 0 when this line passes through origin. Now the question based on this form of line is, find the equation of line which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, cuts an intercept of length 5 unit on y-axis. That is, if a line makes an angle of 30 degree with x-axis and cuts an intercept of length 5 unit on y-axis, then we have to find the equation of line. Then since the line makes an angle of 30 degree with x-axis, then slope of line is m equal tan 30, m equal value of tan 30 is root 3 by 2, and intercept on y-axis is given, means c equal 5 unit is given. Then equation of required line is y equal mx plus c. M is the slope of line, which is 1 by root 3, and c is intercept on y-axis. Then intercept on y-axis is 5. Then equation of line is root 3 by equal x plus 5 root 3, and it is answer. Now, intercept form. If a line cuts an intercept of length A on x-axis and intercept of length B on y-axis, then equation of that line is x by A plus y by B equal 1. Means if a line cuts an intercept of length A on x-axis, it is x-axis and it is length of intercept which is A, and intercept of length B from y-axis, this is B. In this case this point B is 0 comma B and it is A comma 0, then equation of this line is x by A plus y by B equal 1. Now the question is, find the equation of line which cuts an intercept of 4 unit on x-axis and intercept of length 3 unit on y-axis. Since intercept on x-axis is 4 unit, then it is value of A, and intercept on y-axis is 3 unit and it is value of B. We know that if a line cuts an intercept of length A from x-axis and intercept of length B from y-axis, then equation of line is x by A plus y by B equal 1. Intercept form of a line is given by x by A plus y by B equal 1. Put the value of A and B. We have x by 4 plus y by 3 equal 1. Then equation of line is 3x plus 4y equal 12, and it is required equation of line. Now perpendicular form. If the length of perpendicular from origin to a line makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x-axis if the perpendicular from origin to a line if the perpendicular from origin to a line makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis and length of perpendicular is p, then equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p. It is perpendicular form of a line, that is, if the perpendicular from origin to a line makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis and length of perpendicular is given p, then equation of AB, equation of this line, not this line, equation of AB is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p. If the perpendicular from origin to a line makes an angle 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis and length of perpendicular is 3 units, find the equation of line. That is, it is OX OY perpendicular from origin to a line. Let it is line and perpendicular from origin. It is perpendicular from origin to a line makes an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis and length of perpendicular is given 3 units. Then we have to find the equation of AB, length of perpendicular, that is value of P is given, P equal 3 units and value of alpha means angle makes by perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. Then equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal 3 units. Put the value of cos 30 and sin 30. We have root 3x plus y equal 6 and it is equation of line, required equation of line. So equation of line passing through a point with given slope, equation of line which passes through point x1, y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equal m x minus x1, means equation of line passing through point x1, y1 and having slope m is given by y minus y1 m x minus x1. It is equation of line passing through a point. Now the question based on this Formula: find the equation of line passing through point 3, 4 makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Means m equal tan 30 1 by root 3, m equal tan 30 1 by root 3, and equation of line is given by y minus, passing through a point with slope m is given by y minus y1 m x minus x1. Then y minus y1 is given 4, m is tan 30 which is 1 by root 3, x minus x1 is 3. Then root 3y minus 4 root 3, and it is x minus 3, and the equation of required line is x minus root 3y equal 3 minus 4 root 3. Now, equation of line passing through 2 points. x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by the formula y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. It is equation of line passing through 2 points. It's similar to above formula because it is the slope of line passing through 2 points. Then it is like y minus y1 m x minus x1. Now, question based on this formula is find the equation of line passing through 3, 4 and 1, 2. It is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then equation of line is y minus y1 y minus 4 is equal to y2 minus y1, means 2 x2 y2, 2 minus 4 by x2 minus x1 means 1 minus 3 and x minus x1. Equation of line is y minus 4 equal minus 2 by minus 2, x minus 3, minus 2 cancel out, and we have y equal x plus 1. It is equation of line.